Un peth sy'n sicr, mae'r cantorion ifanc yma yn byw a bod cerddoriaeth, a does neb yn cymryd y peth yn fwy o ddifri na Ella Georgia Thomas, sy'n 2 o don yr efail yn yr Rhondda.
Ella sings all the time. She comes home from school, homework comes first, and then there's a 20 to 30-minute vocal warm-up, and then down into whatever project we're doing.
My bedroom really inspires me because it is the complete definition of musical theatre. Hey!
YouTube's obviously an important part because social media plays a massive part in any performer, no matter what genre they're going in, to get her name out there and get her known. I've had to learn all this myself.
Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. I try to post a new song every 2 to 3 weeks. I love getting all comments off people because it just is even more support for me.
But Ella, being the perfectionist she is, always criticises what she does. Nothing's ever perfect, and that's right, but at some point you've got to say, OK, that's as close as we're going to get.
Yeah, I guess.
It's a good recording.
I know, no performance is perfect.
OK, we're going to hit send, all right? Next one out. Let's see who it does.
My dad is very, very important in helping me achieve my goals and my future career ambition. He's my roadie. He is basically my #1 fan when it comes to music.
Only 2 countries have ever won Junior Eurovision on debut, so wouldn't it be nice for Wales to go there, not only introduce themselves as a land of song, but actually come back with a trophy? So, and I know the girl in there is absolutely tailor-made for that, so we're going to do everything we can to support her in whatever she wants to do.
So what kind of music are you into?
Musical theatre, classical, 80s.
So what's your favourite 80s number?
I like Michael Jackson.
Oh! Yeah. Oh!
Yeah. Ooh. I like the unique pump up the jam and stuff.
Dance up the jam, pump it up.
So is that what you're going to sing? Pump up the... No?
No, I'm singing This Is Me from The Greatest Showman.
Oh, great.
I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. Look out, 'cause here I come, marching on, marching, marching on.
Yeah, well done.
I have been waiting for you all day.
That's brilliant.
Thank you.
But you have just the voice of a star, and I think the voice to represent a country.
Both of you.
We kind of